Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to go through a brand new subscription box for my channel, Wix Wax, and this is the Wax and Wardrobe Club. If you are not familiar with Wix Wax, they are a candle company that does much more than candles. They do a lot of different things. I've actually been chatting with Amy, the owner of the company, and she is so sweet and helpful. And she was able to offer us a 50% off coupon for your first box. I'll have the coupon code in the description box below. I'm so excited to be able to get you guys a discount on this club, and I can't wait to see what's inside my first box. This particular one is the Wax and Wardrobe. For this club, you will get a t-shirt and a candle every month. You will get a custom themed t-shirt along with an 8-ounce candle. You can pick the scent. This is a $19.95 per month subscription, which for if you buy this t-shirt and the candle separately would be a $36.95 value. So this is a great club. So for $20 you get a t-shirt and a candle. You can't beat that. T-shirts are usually $20 by themselves. Let's dig in and see what we got in the Wix Wax box. Inside we have tissue paper. Okay, so we've got the candle, I'm assuming, and more tissue paper. And under here is going to be the t-shirt. So let's check out the candle first. I love this color of tissue paper. It matches my walls. So our candle comes in this box, and it's an 8-ounce candle. And that's a good sized candle, and it comes in a reusable mason jar, so you can, once you burn through this candle, you can refill it with another candle if you want, or use it for knickknacks or different things. This one is in the fragrance Dandelion Pear. And this is a hand-poured in Michigan candle. Really cool. Oh, that smells so sweet. I love that. I can smell the pear. I like this kind of fragrance for when I'm taking a bath or just kind of relaxing. It's a nice, fresh, but soothing fragrance. I really love that fragrance. I'm excited to try that one out. A tip when you're burning candles is burn it, the first time you burn it completely to the edges. It'll keep it from tunneling down. It'll burn it evenly from top to bottom. So that's a good tip for candles. Now let's check out this t-shirt. The t-shirt is wrapped up in the green paper. Oh, and the t-shirts come in sizes small through 5X. So you can choose your size. Oh, you guys. This is not, okay. This is perfect. How perfect is this? I love orange. It's one of my favorite colors. Sunflowers and daisies are some of my favorite flowers, and this is a sunflower, and it says, "In a world of roses, be a sunflower." And 100% I'm going to wear this shirt. This is the 2XL, and they look like they run roomy. This, to me, looks more like how a 3X would fit. I'm excited to try that out. I will wear it on a video soon, let you guys see what it looks like. But I love this shirt. It's from the Glidden t-shirt brand. It's a nice cotton. Wonderful shirt. I'm very excited for this. I'm excited for the candle. I cannot wait to try them both out. I couldn't wait. I had to try it on as soon as I got done with the unboxing. I went and showed my sister, and she was like, "Yep, that's 100% a Beth shirt." No question about it. And I did want to let you know the fit is really nice. It is a little loose, but for a 2X it feels, I like it a little baggy. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. It's actually pretty perfect. So 100% love the shirt. Could not have been more perfect for me. I love daisies more than any other flower, and sunflowers are right in that category. This is a great one. Thanks, Amy, for the coupon code. Check out the description below for more information on Wix Wax. If this is the kind of content you like and would like to see more of, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell. And for now, thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes.